Well, hello, fellow gardeners. It's Kathy, the neighborhood gardener, here in sunny Florida, but today not so sunny. So I thought it's appropriate. Let's talk about rain lilies, mass plantings of rain lilies. So come on, let's get started. Here we go. Today is the mass plantings. So I wanted to show you what it starts out like. So this right here, this little bulb right here, this is a rain lily bulb. And a friend of mine gave me these probably 5-6 years ago, and I planted just one bulb I made rows. I forget how many rows in there, but I did one mass planting of an area in my front yard, and I'm going to show you what this little bulb produced. What did I probably start with? Probably about maybe 15-20 of these, and let's go see. These are up to be put in other pots, and they spread really quickly. So if I take this one little bulb, which is my plan, I'm going to put it in a pot, and these will start spreading and making more bulbs in that pot so I can propagate some more. So they will all start forming a cluster like the rest of these in here. I just pulled this one out of a pot because I am going to separate it all. So let's go take a quick look at what that turns into. So here we go. Walk with me. Okay, I just wanted to show you, it is about 7 o'clock, or no, 6:30 in the morning. I'm getting ready to leave for work, and you can see the buds are starting to just bloom out. We're having our afternoon thunderstorms here in Florida, so I'm hoping when I come home it'll be sunny, and we can see how this looks when it blooms out. But you can just kind of see the mass pink purple that will be happening. Okay, so here we are. I made it home this afternoon. Wanted to show you what this mass planting of these rain lilies look like. We are really getting some rain coming down, but these are rain lilies and they kind of thrive on this. So I just wanted to share this and just let you see how beautiful these things bloomed out. When the rain lets up, I'll get out there and we'll take another look. And hopefully I can get a little bit closer to you. It's raining pretty hard right now. There's a little pot that I have with some rain lilies. So far, only one has poked its head out of there. But again, these plants are just beautiful. And if you make a mass planting of anything in one color, I just think that just adds such beauty to the garden. So I thought I'd share this with you. I hope this inspires you in some way. And get out there this weekend and plant something and just enjoy the blessings. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch up again soon. Have a great weekend.